Hey 5th grade scientists, today I'm going to show you how to find the capacity of a boat. Our boats in our experiment this week are going to be these lovely cups. They're all going to be different lengths, but we will have a standard so that we can be doing a controlled experiment with only one variable. These will be our boats, and we're going to fill them with pennies, and those pennies are going to be our passengers. But before we do that with the passengers, we need to figure out how much capacity this boat can hold. Capacity is how much water it can fill to the very top of the brim of the boat. So in order to do that, our first step is going to be to get a plastic cup filled with water. I already have mine. And you're going to gently pour your water into your boat until it is filled to the top of the brim. It's going to look like it's about to go over. Aha, I have mine. In order to use the syringe, all you must do is put it in the water and pull back. So you're going to pull it like this. I'm showing you like this because it might go out of the screen when I pull it full up. So you want to use the vertical position when you're filling it, but just so I can again show you, you just want to gently pull back. It'll stop you at a certain point when it gets to this little nubby. You're going to move the water that's in the cup, and you're going to move it to a graduated cylinder. This graduated cylinder is going to help us measure how much water capacity our boat could hold. So you're going to use a syringe. You might have to do it more than once. The syringe works by putting it gently into the capacity water of the boat and pulling it up the top. There may be bubbles, and that's okay. Okay, I didn't get all of the water, but I got most of it. So I'm going to transfer it, making sure I don't spill any of the water while transferring it. Remember, we only want one variable at play, and we don't want to spill any water. That would mess up our results. I notice I have a little tiny bit of water left in here, so if you have a partner, tilting it a little bit will help. I don't have a partner, however, so I'm going to try to get it out again by pulling back the syringe. Even the littlest last drop. Okay, you could tell my boat is bone dry. Oh, I see one little droplet. I'm going to pull it back. Yeah, now it's bone dry. So I'm going to transfer that all over. The hardest part in this is making sure, you want to make sure that your graduated cylinder is in the base really well here. And we're going to read it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Make sure that my video screen is showing me very nice. I'll pull it even closer here so you can see it. What's going to form is a meniscus, and a meniscus is when the pressure from the air, the surface tension is pushing on the water, and it's going to form a little bit of a curve. So it's hard to show it here in the video. I'm not seeing it as clearly as when you are sitting in class measuring it in person. You're going to get down eye level and you're going to see the water curving a little bit. I can see it just ever so slightly here. It's right underneath the 45 line. So I think that the measurement for my capacity of my boat, one step under 45, so that would be 44 milliliters. So you're going to do this in class, so I hope this video helped you to know how to measure capacity using your friendly syringe and our graduated cylinder. Can't wait to try it in class.